Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about using LinkedIn Easy Apply and whether you should be using it, and if you do, what is the best way to use it. Let's get into it. The major benefit is that you don't have to manually input your information onto a career website of a company or having to sign up for that company before even filling out your application. So you might be wondering, Mahwish, why don't I do this? It's going to save me so much time. Because you are not tailoring your resume. And by not tailoring your resume, you're not showcasing why you were a great fit for that company. On LinkedIn, you can actually use Easy Apply to upload a tailored resume before you click submit. Now, the challenge with this is that now you have all these specifically saved resumes on your LinkedIn profile. You can actually go into your settings, your application settings. I'll put up the link on the screen and simply delete those resumes from your database on LinkedIn. Now, I would still save these tailored resumes in your computer just so you have a record of what resume you applied for to each company. So even though you're using this method, just keep in mind it is saving you time because you don't have to go onto a website, you don't have to input the information. In Easy Apply though, you still have to do some questions. Sometimes companies ask you to fill in some additional information, but long run, it does save you time. I hope this tips video helped you. Follow and like for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.